Okay, so we've prepped the car, we're now going to pull the engine out. As I said, we've got it up on the wheel jacks. I'm going to push the car back out the door of the garage a bit just so we can get to the front and pull the motor and gearbox out. Push. Move. Keep going back a bit. Now we're going to get it. We're not putting it onto the driveway. It's up there. Right. Yeah, that shouldn't be that easy, but let's make sure that this is what it is. I'm going to get this thing in between those jacks. Okay. Drop the front wheels. Just take the pin out.
Pin?
Yep.
What's that?
Pin that's holding it in place.
Oh. Yep.
Turn that little knob again and it should slowly open.
I opened it, it's not moving. Okay.
Release the jack, remove the pin out from the frame, release the centre, release counterclockwise slowly. So you just slide it out.
Slide it out.
Yeah.
What?
Just push it. Push it. Now get up. Should be. Oh, what?
What the hell?
No, car's too low. Alright, you have to jack it up in the centre. Where's the wheel jack? You go check your phone, please. My work phone.
Yeah, there's your work phone. Where's your work phone? Yeah. Work phone again.
Hi everyone, just a quick one to finish off yesterday's video. We didn't actually get it finished because the battery in the camera actually went flat. So as you can see now, the engine is gone, it's out, gearbox is out. Just go and have a look. We got it on the cradle, wheeled it over here into the corner. So there's the old motor. We're not actually going to use this motor. We've actually got a replacement which is over there, hasn't been built yet. It's going to be a 383 stroker, so I've got to get it machined, and we've actually got some parts. You can see the heads and the Webbers that we're going to be using on the new motor sitting over here. There's lots of other engine bits and pieces on the shelves that we're going to use. So anyway, just to finish off yesterday's video, we got the engine out, gearbox out, and thanks for watching.